Want to turn your geranium into a towering floral masterpiece that blooms endlessly for years? Most people see geraniums as small, bushy plants, but what if I told you they can grow into stunning, tree-like structures with the right care? Stick around because today, we're sharing 8 expert tricks to transform your geranium into a breathtaking giant. Choose the right variety. Not all geraniums are created equal when it comes to size. If you want a tree-like appearance, start with a variety known for its height, like Pelargonium Lord Butte, with its upright stems, or the majestic Geranium matarans, which can soar up to 5 feet tall. Choosing the right variety is the first step in your journey to growing a geranium tree. Initial pruning. Don't wait for nature to take its course. Training starts early. Regularly trim off side shoots to encourage a strong, singular central stem. This simple trick redirects energy upwards, ensuring your plant grows tall rather than spreading out. Think of it like shaping a bonsai, but bigger. Support it. Once you've established that central stem, give it the support it needs. Use a lightweight bamboo stick or plastic stake to help it stand tall. Just make sure to tie it loosely, enough for support, but not too tight to restrict growth. Over time, this will reinforce that classic tree-like structure. Perfect potting mix. Geraniums are tough, but if you want them to thrive, the right soil is key. Mix equal parts of potting soil, compost, and perlite or coarse sand to ensure proper drainage and root strength. Adding a little bone meal will also supercharge flowering, giving you a stunning display of blooms. Smart fertilization. A well-fed geranium is a happy geranium. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer, like 10-10-10, diluted to 1/4 strength every 2 to 3 weeks during the growing season. Begin fertilizing when the weather warms up, and remember, consistency is more important than quantity. Sunlight is everything. Geraniums are sun lovers, and if you're aiming for height, 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight is a must. A sunny window, balcony, or garden spot will do the trick. Shady spots? Forget about it. Without enough light, your geranium will stay stunted and won't achieve that majestic look. Pick the right pot size matters. A pot that's just slightly larger than the root ball will encourage upward growth instead of excessive root expansion. Too big a pot, and your plant will focus on filling out the container rather than reaching for the sky. Pest and disease control. Aphids, spider mites, and whiteflies love geraniums as much as we do. Keep an eye out for these pests, especially in dry indoor conditions. If you notice any, a gentle spray of water can help. For persistent problems, insecticidal soap will do the job without harming your plant. And that's it. 8 simple tricks to grow a giant, tree-like geranium that will thrive for years. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more expert gardening tips. Let us know in the comments which trick you're excited to try first. See you in the next one.